Need to deliver your completed work to clients securely and professionally? In this video, I'll show you the best ways to send work files through Upwork that ensure smooth delivery and proper documentation for both you and your client. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. How you deliver work files affects both client satisfaction and your payment protection. Using Upwork's proper channels ensures your deliveries are tracked, secure, and professionally presented. Let me show you the right way to send your work. First, use the Upwork messaging system for all file deliveries. Click the attachment icon in your message thread with the client and select the files you want to send. This keeps all project documentation in one place and creates a permanent record. For larger files, use the Deliver Work button in fixed-price contracts. This formal delivery method notifies the client that work is ready for review and starts the approval and payment process. Always include a clear description of what you're delivering. Organize your files professionally before sending. Create a clear folder structure, use descriptive file names, and consider including a README file if you're sending multiple assets. This shows attention to detail and makes it easy for clients to review your work. Compress large files if needed, but maintain quality. For very large deliveries, consider using cloud storage services like Google Drive or Dropbox, but always share the links through Upwork's messaging system to maintain the platform's record. A crucial pro tip: always include a delivery message explaining what you're sending, any special instructions for using the files, and what the next steps should be. For fixed-price projects, this triggers the 14-day review period after which funds are automatically released if the client doesn't respond. And just like that, you're delivering work like a true professional. Proper file delivery ensures you get paid promptly while providing an excellent client experience. If this guide helps you streamline your work delivery process, please give it a like. What's your preferred method for delivering large project files? Share your approach in the comments below. For more Upwork tips and freelance guidance, make sure you're subscribed to Guide with Samuel. Thanks for watching.